So you want to change or reset your passcode into Shopify? There's two ways we can do this. The first way, if you are inside your Shopify, what you want to do is to locate in the upper side, the right part, the manage account. And here what I want to do is to locate my details. And here into the security options, what you want to do is to hit into the change your passcode. So what I need to do is to provide my current passcode, a new passcode, and to confirm this new passcode. If you are outside Shopify and you want to get inside and you don't know how to change or reset your passcode, you have to choose the option that says forgot passcode. And like this, what you want to do is to choose the actual email and choose the option that says reset passcode, like that. And a link to reset your passcode has been emailed to you. So I need to go into my mails and I want to see something like this. What I need to do is to click into the option that says reset passcode, and I need to do exactly the same thing. I need to provide a new email, a new passcode, and to do that once again, so I can just be redirected into the new second in Shopify. And once again, we are now inside the Shopify with no issues there. So with that being said, guys, we're reaching to the area end of the video. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully this was very useful for you, and I'll see you next time.